Carlisle Finch offers the world's most powerful yacht searchlights in both sleek and classic styles. Nightfinder security systems, which integrate searchlights and thermal cameras, and the new Nightfinder LED, which combines visible LEDs, infrared LEDs, and a high-resolution low-light camera, and all are controlled by the SmartView system. And rugged? You tell me. This product will withstand 40 to 50 knots and even remain intact on vessels which roll over and right themselves. This robust design, immense power, and low center of gravity has allowed this product to be specified on myriads of small, fast, but full-craft fleets around the world. Carlisle Finch offers the owner a distinct choice of styling by offering beautiful, classic chrome xenon searchlights, as well as a low-profile, contemporary, sleek style alternative. Carlisle Finch has committed to the classic style market with two powerful offerings: a 350-watt xenon searchlight with 25 million candle power, servicing a distance of 5,000 meters, more than 3 miles, and for yachts over 50 meters, the 500-watt xenon has 45 million candle power and services an incredible distance of 6,700 meters. That's over 4 miles. For owners who desire a sleek, modern look, the low-profile 200-watt xenon is the style of choice, with 15 million candle power and able to service a distance of over 3,800 meters. It can be mounted upside down as an option, and incredibly, it is only 330 millimeters tall, just under 13 inches. With this compact size, the 200-watt xenon is specified on the world's largest and most contemporary yachts, and the shorter height allows the searchlight to blend into the contour of the most sleek, aerodynamic designs, as well as remain hidden when mounted upside down beneath the yacht's radar masts. The Nightfinder feature transforms the searchlight into a powerful security system in its own right. On both the classic and sleek designs, the thermal camera is embedded onto the searchlight platform, which synergistically combines high-intensity light, a thermal camera sensor, and strobe feature within a single security system. Carlisle Finch recently introduced at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show the Nightfinder LED, a new innovation in night vision technology. This is a hybrid LED system consisting of both invisible infrared LEDs as well as visible LEDs. The energy projected by the infrared LEDs is outside of the visible spectrum. People can't see it. As a result, a covert, invisible beam is projected, unseen by the human eye, but seen with the low-light camera. Also, a powerful visible beam can be projected on demand on the same target. Just as an IR beam is used on a weapon to target the intruder, the LED covert beam is used in the same manner. When the IR beam finds the target, the visible beam illuminates the target instantly and accurately. And if the intruder is dangerous, the strobe transforms the searchlight instantly into a non-lethal weapon. And this exciting new technology can be added to existing Carlisle Finch searchlights as a field upgrade. This combination will allow the invisible IR beam to be used as a covert targeting device to instantly illuminate the object. The LED illuminator is truly the brightest beam you'll never see. Imagine sailing into a harbor in total darkness. Then, with a quick flip of the switch, the LED illuminator covertly lights up the harbor like daylight, and long distances are achieved as well. As an illustration, a house on the shoreline is instantly illuminated in the dark of night, and the fence line behind it is over 1,280 meters away. That's over 14 football fields away. Unlike thermal cameras, the infrared beam will penetrate glass and therefore covertly see into the pilot houses of other vessels. It can also read names and numbers and identify flags on vessels. In addition, floating objects can be seen more clearly because a heat signature is not required. And the same high-resolution color camera can be used during the day as well as the night. All Carlisle and Finch searchlights can be optionally controlled by a microprocessor-based control system known as SmartView. 2 sensors in the base connect to a microcontroller that sends the positioning data down to the main SmartView controller for processing, and the joystick controller user interface connects to the same controller via an RS-485 bus. All of the main controller functions are built into the joystick, including proportional speed motion, up, down, right, and left, and even diagonal motion as well. And a twist knob on the joystick widens and narrows the beam throughout a continuous spectrum. Since all of the searchlight functions are built into the joystick, the user has complete control with a single hand, freeing up the other hand to steer the vessel or hold binoculars. For more information, contact the Yacht Group at 305-667-5811.